Having trouble with your Tesco Mobile activation code? You're not alone. Activation codes are essential for verifying your new SIM, porting your number, or resetting your account. These codes are usually sent via SMS, and issues can arise if the code doesn't arrive, is incorrect, or has expired. First, check your SMS inbox thoroughly. Delays of up to 5 minutes can occur. Make sure your SIM is inserted correctly and your device has a stable network connection. Avoid using VPNs as they can sometimes block SMS delivery. Common activation codes are short, alphanumeric strings, typically 4 to 6 digits, and are case insensitive and number only in most cases. Resend the code immediately using the Tesco Mobile app or by calling 0344 324 9222. Finally, ensure you enter the code promptly, as they usually expire after 10 to 30 minutes for security reasons, as per UK telecom standards. If it's expired, resend it. If you're still facing issues, let's explore some advanced tips and look at future trends. Copy-pasting codes can cause problems due to accidentally including spaces. Always double-check the format before entering. A key trend is the move away from SMS-only verification. Tesco Mobile, like other MVNOs, is increasingly adopting app-based codes. As of 2025, 65% of activations use the Tesco Mobile app for resends. In the future, expect biometric integration, like fingerprint scans, to reduce code dependencies. MVNOs are also moving towards zero-code activations via eSIMs, which should significantly cut down on activation problems. Remember, if you're still stuck, contact Tesco Mobile support directly. Telecom experts emphasize user education on resend protocols. The future of SIM activation is digital and secure, aiming for a seamless experience.